So I just realized after filming the whole tutorial that my headpiece is not correct. This is supposed to go there and this is supposed to go here. Oh well!
1, 3, 4.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Put Your Makeup On, where I post videos like this every Monday and Thursday. In today's video, happy Pride Month everyone. I am super excited to be filming this video for you guys. Today we are going to be doing a tutorial on a rainbow inspired type of look. I've never done a rainbow anything on my channel, so I'm really excited to share this tutorial with you guys. Super beginner friendly. If you want to know how to recreate this look, you know what to do. This is how we do it on Put Your Makeup On, so just keep watching. Before we hop into today's tutorial, be sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos, and definitely don't forget to click that notification bell as well so you get notified whenever I post a video. Without further ado, let's get into today's tutorial. I am first starting off making sure that my lips stay hydrated by the time I put my lipstick on. This is just the Agave lip balm from By Beauty, and then I'm moving on to the eyes. I'm keeping the eyes very basic on the top portion. Put a lid on it. Wow, I can't talk. From the Balm, just to make sure that nothing creases or cracks, and then I'm just setting that with the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil Finishing Powder, just to make sure, of course, nothing cracks or crease throughout the day. So like I said, I'm keeping the top portion of my eyes very basic, hence why I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette. I am first going in with the shade Naked 2 with a blending brush from Sigma. This is the E40, which is my go-to favorite crease transition brush. And I'm just brushing this into the crease a little bit, and then just kind of giving a little bit more definition as well in with the shade Faint. Again, keeping it basic, don't go too crazy. I didn't want to go, again too crazy because I'm doing more fun on the bottom portion of the eyes. And then I'm just kind of dusting Foxy kind of all over. I don't want to have a regular lid color. Again, I'm just keeping the eyes basic. This is the Pretty Easy eyeliner from Clinique. I sped this clip up. And if you want to see a more in-depth tutorial on how to do winged eyeliner, I say it in every video. I will have my separate video linked down below for you guys. But I love this eyeliner. And then this is the Lash Craft from Sephora Collection. I really like the wand on this. No clumping, no flaking. I feel like it's the baby sister to the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. But I like the way it gives a good amount of volume. And then I'm just popping on the faux mink whiskies from Ariel. Okay, so I mapped everything out already, and here we go. This is the Morphe 35B palette. I'm using the red shade first. One brush I'm using for this. It definitely is very helpful to map everything out. So I'm using the red shade on the very outermost corner. Of course, everything is going to blend regardless, but I still want it to go in order. And then I'm going in next with orange, of course. Roy G. Biv, everyone. So this is just the orange shade, just to blend everything out, just so everything is cohesive, and that way I don't have to worry about harsh lines happening on the bottom portion. Yellow is next from the same palette, and we're using the same brush. Kind of just using the Viermona color switch, which you guys are going to see in a second. Outer corner, middle, inner corner. Done and done. Viermona switch from, I love this. The Viermona brand is amazing. And then the other eye is going to be the Biv. So technically this is going to be a green first, and then the blue, and then the violet. So I'm using the same palette once again. Blue is next. Popping that on to the middle portion of the eye, just making sure everything is blended. And as you guys can see, everything blends in seamlessly with each other to make those colors stand out really nicely. The blue was a little tricky to blend, so I kind of had to go back and forth a little bit, but that's okay. Purple is last. This is a really beautiful, like, ultraviolet purple, which I definitely think stands out really nicely. And that is basically the rainbow type of look. I wanted to keep it simple and basic, not too crazy. And then for the rest of the face, we're just kind of going in really simple hoola bronzer from Benefit. I definitely wanted to keep the rest of my face relatively simple and not competing with the eyes because I wanted the eyes to stand out the most. So hoola, I love, and then I had to just like kind of lift up the headpiece a little bit. And yes, I know from editing it is definitely wrong. This is the Colourpop Parakeet Blush, and I love this. It's just a nice light corally peachy type of shade. I didn't want anything too insanely pinky, but of course, personal preference. Do whatever blush makes you happy. Master Chrome highlight from Maybelline. I really am happy that I picked this up, and it is just a beautiful type of highlight. It's not overly too gold, but it has enough gold where it's flattering for my skin tone, and I think it's beautiful. And then lastly, this is the shade Kathryn from the Anastasia Liquid Lipstick Collection, and I'm just using that as my lips. And again, do whatever color makes you happy. It was kind of tough to find out what color I want to do, but I love it. That is it for today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I will, of course, have all the products listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. I think that's all I have to say for this video other than I love you guys, and I am almost at 400 subscribers. Can you believe it? 400 to me is a lot. So help a girl out, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, everything. That is it for today's video, and I shall see you in the next episode of Put Your Makeup On. Have a great day, guys. Bye!